Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Quick Trading. So as we discussed in last video, we have the highest accuracy, but the issue in the last algorithm is the calls are very less, the signals are very less. So it's like one in every 2 weeks or something like that. So let's see how we can enhance the similar algorithm in such a way that we'll get more calls. But as I told you, if calls are increasing, we may see the decrease in the accuracy, but that's okay. We'll try to have a highest accuracy. So for that, in this video we'll see how we can enhance the existing algorithm whatever we build in the first one by adding few extra parameters. So for that, let me tell you first in ICICI Bank graph what kind of algorithm we will build, and then I'll directly show you the algorithm, and I will also show you how we can deploy it in live and make it work. Okay, so this is ICICI Bank graph with the 10 minutes candle I have taken. So let us go for example 29th April. So if you see here, this red candle, which is 10 minutes candle, has closed below our VMAP, volume weighted average price. And also we can see MACD, the red one is crossing the green one, and in 9:45 we can also see vertex, the red one is crossing the green one. So if we able to catch this candle, which is the 9:55 candle on top, then we can able to sell this at here and we can buy it here, so we'll be in profit. So this is the algorithm which we will see when MACD is crossing or above, when vertex is crossing or above, and volume weighted average price, the candle closing below or crosses. So the same thing which I have implemented here. So we are going to sell, quantity is your wish, whatever the amount you can afford to, and then here's the same thing, MACD crosses, signal crosses the MACD one, or MACD is lower than this one, and the close of the candle is crosses below volume weighted, or close is lower than the volume weighted. And then coming to vertex crossing -1 crosses above the positive one, or -1 is lower than the positive one. So these are the conditions which I have given, and we have stop loss of 1%, and we have very limited profit which is around 0.4% I have given. So I have selected few companies, mostly these are the companies which I personally trade on daily basis. So Siemens, ICICI Bank, Concur, Voltas, DLF, 10 minutes candle I have chosen, and let's see back test and see. So these are the results from 1st March to 30th April. Okay, so which is around 2 months, where we have 58 signals. This is not very less, right? So we are getting more number of calls and the accuracy is also more. If you see, 53 are wins and there are 5 losses. This is the winning streak, 7.8. Losing streak is very less. See these values. In Concur you can see 9 out of 9. Let us see in ICICI whether that particular which we have discussed on 29th April is being captured or not. So we can see the results here, ICICI transaction details. So see here, 29th April 9:55 the sell has been happened, which is on entered on 4,733, and we buy back on this 1522, target price got hit. 615 we have sold, 613 we bought, so around this much per amount we have made the profit, cumulative profit this is. So 29th April, this is done. So once we back tested this, how to deploy? Now the problem is, so now algorithm is working fine. So how can we deploy this? So for that we can directly click on this deploy all. We can directly, either we can do paper trade or we can do take live. See, we can also give the quantity. If I click on take live, what will happen? It will directly come to the live trading strategies. So the issue with this trick is it is not fully automated. Like whenever the signal came, it will directly show a pop-up here and ask you, the action need to be taken by you. It won't take any action. It just indicates that this is probable one can be is triggered. You want me to put it as a live. So for that, to make it fully automated, like you need to just sit idle, you don't need to do anything. algorithm has to take in place on its own, and if it is a profit, book the profit. If it is loss, stop loss. So for that, there is some plugins that are available. This is Trade Rocket is one such plugin. Trade Rocket plugin. If you click here, this is the Trade Rocket plugin, Google Chrome plugin. If you install this, since it's already installed, it is showing remove from Chrome. If you install this, what it will do, once the signal came, it will automatically clicks that pop-up and makes the orders in your order values. Directly in positions you can see once that is being triggered. I mean, there is no manual intervention that is required. You just need to open this tab, open, and leave it aside. So automatically it will trade on its own, but this needs to be done only when you trust your strategy or whatever the algorithm you have written fully. So otherwise you will end up like without your intervention, the algorithm will trade on its own. Either you may end up in profits or loss. That's another matter. Okay. So this is the Trade Rocket. One thing I want to explain you, because this is makes your trading 100% automated without any human intervention once your algorithm is ready. Okay, so for example, if you want to more accuracy in your algorithm, let us go here, vertex negative. We can also add a condition like RSI, but again, if we add this condition, number of calls that may come will decrease. See, let us see now. Previously you got 58 calls, now we see just 39. However, the accuracy is being increased to 37. That's another matter, but it's all depends. See, all these are very successful back tested ones which we can fully trust. So profit is around 22,000 with 200 shares. We can also give more number, because if we trust and the accuracy is more, let us give 500, just like that. So you can see 56,000 in just 2 months without doing anything. You just need to deploy this strategy. So this mostly can be used in bearish market, because this is mostly we are selling it, in selling positions we are taking. So better to avoid in whenever there is a bullish market. Even if a market opens in flat, this is recommended, because since these are very good indicators which will give us in advance indications, so this can be useful. Yeah, hope you understand. If not, let's see if anything further we can do. As I told you, you can add or decrease anything. For example, you can remove RSI. You can also remove this lower one, which will add more accuracy to your more. Or if you want to increase the signals, you can also change these crosses and just leave lower than, or you can just keep, for example, I'm removing this, let us see how it goes. I'm keeping only when vertex is lower than is fine, no need to cross or anything. Okay, I also removed. Let's see the backtest results. See, 49 calls of 46. So it's all depends on you how you scale it, whether you want more accuracy, less calls, or you want more calls. It's okay to decrease less amount of accuracy. That's up to you how you decide. Yeah, thanks for watching. Cool.